Hello and welcome to this video where I will show you how to open an account on OKX Crypto Exchange, download applications, and complete KYC verification. OKX is a cryptocurrency exchange that offers various products and services such as spot, margin and derivatives trading, NFT Marketplace, DeFi wallet, and more. OKX supports hundreds of cryptocurrencies and tokens, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, OKB, and OKT. OKX also provides a self-custodial wallet extension that allows users to manage their on-chain assets across 30-plus networks. Before we start, make sure you have a valid email address or phone number, a strong password, and an ID document, such as passport, driver's license, or national ID card. You will also need a device with internet access and a camera. Step 1. Open an account on OKX Crypto Exchange. To open an account on the OKX Cryptocurrency Exchange, you need to click on the Register button located in the top right corner of the OKX website by using the commission discounted link provided in the description section of this video. If you sign up for the OKX Exchange through the link I have provided, you will become the owner of a mysterious box with rewards of up to $10,000 that you can open in the OKX Mobile App. You will be asked to enter your email address or phone number, create a password, and agree to the terms of service and privacy policy. You will also need to complete a CAPTCHA verification to prove that you are not a robot. After that, you will receive a verification code via email or SMS that you need to enter to confirm your registration. Congratulations! You have successfully opened an account on OKX Crypto Exchange. Step 2. Download applications. OKX provides various applications for different devices and platforms. You can download the OKX app for iOS or Android devices from the App Store or Google Play Store respectively. The OKX app allows you to trade crypto on the go and access various features and services on OKX. You can also download the OKX desktop app for Windows or macOS from the official website of OKX. The OKX desktop app allows you to trade crypto like a pro with faster transactions and powerful APIs. Additionally, you can download the OKX wallet extension for Chrome, Firefox, Brave, or Edge browsers from the official website of OKX. The OKX wallet extension allows you to safeguard your on-chain assets and explore 30-plus networks seamlessly. You can choose any or all of these applications depending on your preference and convenience. Step 3. Complete KYC verification. To complete KYC verification on OKX Crypto Exchange, you need to log into your account and go to the Account section. You will see a verification tab where you can start the KYC process. You will need to provide some basic information, such as your name, nationality, date of birth, and ID number. You will also need to upload a photo of the back and front of your ID document, such as passport, driver's license, or national ID card, and your selfie photo to verify your face. After submitting your information and documents, you will need to wait for OKX to review and approve your KYC verification. This may take up to 1 hour depending on the volume of requests. Once your KYC verification is approved, you will be able to enjoy more benefits and features on OKX Crypto Exchange. Additionally, I should also mention that those who want to participate in the Sway token presale need to complete their KYC, know your customer, process smoothly to be able to participate in the presale. That's it. You have completed all the steps to open an account on OKX Crypto Exchange, download applications, and complete KYC verification. Now you can start trading and earning crypto on OKX with confidence and ease. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions or feedback, please leave them in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you next time.